Hey folks, Dave Frio here, the rate update. Today we're going to talk about how we can get your offer accepted in front of hundreds of others. So don't go away. We're going to be right back. Are you trying to buy a house, but you keep putting in offers and getting denied? Well, how about if I can come up with what we call a sure close program? Basically, almost makes your loan a cash buying loan. Here's what I mean. We're gonna have you apply down below. What that's gonna do is complete your full application. It gives us authorization to pull your credit. Then we're gonna do a couple things and we're gonna need your cooperation in this. We're gonna e-verify your assets. We're gonna e-verify your job. All I need from you is a copy of your last pay stub and your last year's W-2, unless you're self-employed. If you're self-employed, there's other documentation that we will need. What we do at that point is we pull your credit. We have everything in packaged. We send that to an underwriter, they review it, and we come back to you basically saying, okay, you're ready to go, just find a house at this point. We can get you closed within 15 days. How? We basically have everything done in the meantime. So what I need you to do is please click down below. You're gonna find the Apply Now button. That'll get you started. So to find out more, please check us out on the web at therateupdate.com. Otherwise, give us a thumbs up, click subscribe down below, and click that bell so every time I post a video, you get an alert. Look forward to working with you. God bless, take care, have a great day.